Tate Modern. I'd been wanted to go to the Design Museum for a while, but I just want to see some paintings and some modern stuff, so I'm going there today. So I'm gonna have to go to London Bridge first. So that's Borough Market near London Bridge. Need to go that way. So here we've got Shakespeare, because we've got the Globe Theatre not far away, just there. This guy is just advertisement for Wagamama. That's a nice pub, by the way. Never been there, but seems very fancy. You can see the Shard there. I'm not sure about the bridges, which one is which one. The one that's often called London Bridge in tourist news and stuff, ill-informed tourist news, is the one with the towers that you can see super far away. Well, I can see it, but not on camera. And it's not actually the London Bridge, it's Tower Bridge, because it has towers. More bridges. And I'm going that way. Right, so I'm getting closer. I can see the Millennium Bridge, but I'm not sure it's visible on camera. That's right there. It's the St. Paul's Cathedral, by the way. So, that's the entrance to Shakespeare's Globe. Shakespeare's Globe, but I think that's just a restaurant there. Getting closer to St. Paul and the bridge. Okay, so there it is. It's this rounded thing. It's the globe. There. And right behind, that's the Tate Modern that you can see. So here, the Tate Modern, the Millennium Bridge, and St. Paul's Cathedral. So that's the view from the bridge. Yeah, this is so, thank God for GoPro. The Millennium Bridge with St. Paul Cathedral there. So I am there. Came from there, did that. So now I want to do this. Cross the bridge. Free display there again on 4 and on 3. So now I'm going to cross and go there. So I'm out. So I have finished my little visits and now it's night. It's about 5 p.m. I didn't film too much inside because that's something that you have to see in person, but it was nice. So that's St. Paul's Cathedral there, and that's Millennium Bridge here with the city there. And here we have the Tate.